Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we here with the genocide's boss, Masicka himself. Big up myself, my G, big up myself, Masicka. Today we're here with Limelight. Masicka with Limelight. See? So the last track we heard from Masicka was Tyrant. Now we're there with Limelight. He's not dropping a lot of tracks, but he's dropping quality tracks. I think he's working on his album, I believe. But we're going to jump to the one and here with the GSA. But before we do that, we're going to do this. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer, reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something, you understand? So let's get back to the video. Now that is done, take notes, get information. Let's jump on the track and here with the GSA. Let's go! Crocodile! This looks like a foreign man.
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime when I shock I'm still.
Oh. The boss say him fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Him alone up there, so. Him a tell you say him there at the top of dancehall. Him a tell you say him there at the top of dancehall. Him lonely. Him brother. First, the boss will show you the plaque them. The plaque. So him in our little hut / house by himself. Up there, so. As what him say, top of the hill. With him accolades, big word. Him accolades, him trophies. You hear me? Him awards. Bad.
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime when I shock I'm still. Charge 199 when I stack up the mill. My dog stuck in a crime and I talk about them still. Me know me dump with them the rest because I shot and we kill.
Want to touch back on this. So the boss will show you say him got number 2nd on the Billboard and him have him gold plaque on YouTube. So you get this one time you reach 1 million sub. Once you got 1 million sub? Wow, 1 point. Okay, Masicka, okay.
Jordan in I'm prime when I shock I'm still. Charge 199 when I stack up the mill. My dog stuck in a crime and I talk about them still. Me know me dump.
Him dog stuck in that grime and that about himself. So even though him there top, even though him up there, so him still a worry about him dogs. Them are stuck down there, so in the not so much at the top. Them still down there, so put in the work. See him if reach at the top just like him. You see it? So that's about him. So you know, him a look out for him G them.
When I stack up the mill, my dog stuck in a grime and I talk about them still. Me know me dump with them the rest because I shot and we kill. Run out of some flash, my pocket pack and me chill. You be jump and chase the jeeps, and man a lot and we will. 2 pack in I'm prime with a shock and me skill. Free me demons for the money, fuck the fame you.
Man say yo, him feel like 2 pack in I'm prime with a shot time skill.
Roll out of some flash, my pocket pack and me chill.
Roll out of some frost in pocket fatter them chill. So him have money in them pocket so him a chill out. Go and get back to the 2 pack line.
You be jump and chase the jeeps, and man a lot and we will. 2 pack in I'm prime with a shock and me skill. Free
2 pack in I'm prime with a shot time skill. 2 pack in I'm prime with a shot I'm skill. So him a tell you say yo, is he telling you say him feel like 2 pack when 2 pack was in a film prime in a 2 pack prime with a shot of for him skill, Masicka skill. I say him feel.
We jump and chase the jeeps, and man a lot and we will. 2 pack in I'm prime with a shock and me skill. Free me demons for the money, fuck the fame you. Umbrella in the road signs for the rain you. Man when I'm on the outside with pain you. Them could follow me and if them take the same road.
Buckler. What the boss say? Them couldn't follow me all if them take the same route. Them can't follow him. Him a tell us say him alone a do it right now. Where him do, Them can't follow and do it, even if them have them in the same route as him. Don't dash in the water. Even if them in the same route as him, them can't.
Free me demons for the money, fuck the fame, you. I'm Bernard on the roadsides for the rain, you. Man, when I'm on the outside with pain, you. Them could follow me all if them take the same road. I got that alone, you. Oh, yeah. Pull up, be a coupe. Me get them stay cute. Me got them aim short.
Yo! Pull up. Be a coupe.
Them could follow me all if them take the same road. I got that alone, you. Oh, yeah. Pull up, be a coupe. Me get them stay cute. Me got them aim short. And if me come in our belly, what a great youth.
Man, tell us say yo, him not gonna breed no better years girl. She have talent, she bad, she educated. Him full of talent. Him full of talent and him there on top of him game. Determination and hard work. So if the youth born, the youth are gonna automatically get them genes. The youth are gonna be a great youth. Yeah.
Me got them stay cute, me got them aim short. And if me come in our belly, what a great youth. Me style them out of this world, grab a space suit.
Me style him out of this world, grab a space suit. Him style him out of space. Him style him out of space, no gravity no up there, sir. Huh?
If me come in our belly, what a great youth. Me style them out of this world, grab a space suit. Limelight, been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right.
Limelight, him been there and done that. Him not really bad about the limelight no more. Him just want to get him, yo.
Limelight, been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that.
Boss, I tell you, say, yo, whatever run down now, me drive that, get that, spend that. Yo, me done it all already. So him I tell you, say, right now, him just want to get him mind right. None of this thing, the hype and it, him not bad about that anymore. Him been there, done that. Him have accolades to prove it.
Been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
After him spend it, make it back. Him a show you say make it back. Yo, this youth are on top of him game for real though.
Limelight, been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. I just a limelight. I'm in a light that.
Jamaica the video shot. Why did it look like a foreign? Sometimes a foreign.
I'm a girl and me just strike that hard. Life cash, you know, life and card. But the highway I drive that car, that's a broke talk. But them I try that fraud. Yeah, we up dark, let me find Isle 9 yard.
You me up like say me find Isle 9 yard. You know the Isle sheet them a Dubai and them and they real rich. I'm gonna tell you say yo him up like him find Isle 9 yard like he's about to mine Isle.
Life cash, you know, life and card. But the highway I drive that car, that's a broke talk. But them I try that fraud. Yeah, we up dark, let me find Isle 9 yard. Me funds no dry, my lad. Me guns no hide, my lad.
My funds not dry, so him have him money. And him have him cash, plus him have him assets them. You see me? Then him tell you say yo, him guns them not brother. Yo, him guns not hide, bro. Him guns them out of the open.
Me funds no dry, my lad.
No.
Me guns no hide, my lad. The dogs survive night dark. Me junks a life I spark. She love her and I cock.
The thugs are vibing at the dark, so the thugs them up and no video lighting, no out. The thugs them in at the dark. Drugs are life I spark up him weed.
Me junks a life I spark. She love her and I cock. She clump up and I shots.
Pussy fat like she drinks cement soap. A dirty G I say.
She love
Clump
her
up.
and I cock.
Yeah.
She clump up and I shots. She love the hang that fast. She rum the bomb that floss. The ground where black man cross. Sit down the watchman class.
The ground where black man cross rough. Black people must sing about this or no. The ground where we pass as black people rough. You see me? Sit down there watch my
Where
class.
black man cross. Sit down the watchman class. Limelight. Been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot. Yeah, me drive that, wreck that, spend that, make that blood clap back and just the limelight. Keep shining, blessing a real timing. The G piling, the cash, the team smiling. It's cheap finding, my gap no cheap styling. We do this calm and our sun, the peace boiling. Ben Sam, and
Yo, Masicka put out quality shit, dog. Whether you like him or not, Masicka put out quality. It might not put out the quantity at the moment, but quality, definitely, yes.
in a real
Yes.
timing. The G piling, the cash, the team smiling. It's cheap finding, my gap no cheap styling. We do this calm and our sun, the peace boiling. Ben Sam.
What's my little
And put
address?
some in hiding. Big food, a big food. They get a child break. Stop who? Stop what? Me stop rhyming. The black hand, me chop shop, me not sliding. Me stop that. Anything me drop, me keep rising. Chat, run up.
Anything we drop, me keep rising. No joke. No joke. Hit song after hit song after hit song after hit song. Me can't say me ever hear a shit song for Masicka. Me not hear none, brother. If you don't hear none in the comment section, you're not a hater. Me not hear no shit song for Masicka.
Chop shop, me not sliding. Me stop that. Anything me drop, me keep rising. Chat, run up on me, a suicide king. Fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes, do the right thing.
Shirt match your blood clot. The second time it seems show that accolade, that big body bends.
Fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes.
Oh, fresh, like say Louis sign him. Louis Vuitton sign him. Yeah, Louis Vuitton. Yeah, fresh like that.
Suicide king, fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes, do the right thing.
But like I said that part there a while ago, fresh, like say Louis sign him. So he must sing about himself in a one third person. He must sing about himself, but he must class himself as him. So he must sing about himself in a third person. Masicka role play.
Like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes, do the right thing. Watch him make us speak legacy. Pussy them a hype with little vehicle harness. Remedy.
Watch it, let me speak legacy. The pussy them a hype with couple with little NSC and couple of weeks. Brother, watch it now.
Watch him make us speak legacy. Pussy them a hype with little vehicle harness. Remedy. Charge him take for me enemy. All the gold. Get the brand watch me energy. I'm God. Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right. Yeah, me drive that.
So, the car, you see him car covered up in lots of mess and things. So that means tell us a long time him there even drive him car. So a long time him there up at the top. Long time him there at the top, and him just up at the top of circle. So him just reach up at the top, park up, and him car just dead. Look. Watch it. Dust up. You see me? Tree grew up on him car. You see me? Cause a long time him dead so. And there's nobody to come and park up beside him because I'm alone up beside. You see me? This is very significant what he did here. The meaning of this is very significant. He must show you say, yo, him alone the upper so. Upper so, which part him there at the top. And him alone up there so. You see me? And there's nobody if go there so and disturb him car. Nobody there so if wash him car, look on him car, full of. You see me? Yeah, very significant, very smart.
Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back and just the limelight.
So obviously, him get a message earlier on, say, it means him if you show him a pray. So he must say, God at least always remember that. Rupee say work time. So it look like him in a one group chat or something. Okay. Get the studio active, Limelight. No or never, big up. Production as always. Def Jam record. Bumbleclad. Def Jam. Yo, Masicka is at the top. Masicka there at the top. Masicka show you him there at the top. Masicka show you why him there at the top. And him feel lonely up there. Yo, Masicka is Masicka, bro. There's not much to say about Masicka. Big up the genocide. Fans them! Big up yourself. Proud of an artist. My artist too. Big up yourself, Sicka. Do it, my job. Do it, my G. Do it. You need some more songs still. You need some more songs, yeah. You need some more. So some more Some more banger. Yeah. We need some more song. We need some more song. You're at the top right now, yes, but we need song. Yes. Yeah. But this is an next hit, bro. Like, hands down, this is a next hit, bro. There's no chopping. There's nothing about no controversy or nothing like that. The boss is to give quality. The boss are using talent to give quality, bro. Masicka is a living legend, no joke. Masicka is a living legend. Anyway, this is Michael is on the city. If you want to see more, leave a like on the subscribe around there if you're new. But say that too fast, say it too fast. Anyway, this is where I'm going to leave this one. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you, my friends, in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.